Hey guys, so we're here with Norian, and she is new to Grand Prairie. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 4 months.
4 months. And she is from the beautiful country of Dominican Republic. Now, I was about to say island, but you have to be surrounded by ocean to be an island. So you guys are a country, not an island.
We are surrounded by water everywhere.
But you have a land border to 80, so probably, I don't know, semantics. Anyways. So we're just chatting with her here and just to find out what's her experience. She lived in the US for a while, so I wanted to know, like, Nats and I wanted to know, like, so you moved to Canada 4 years ago. Why did you 4 months ago? Sorry, why did you move to Canada rather than trying to move to the US full time?
Well, I've already had experience living in the US to begin with for my previous studies.
Yeah.
But I just always was attracted to Canada being a safer country, having more opportunities as far as growth, and also being in a smaller city as well as I'm used to there. I just felt like the slower pace of life was more convenient for the station.
And where in the US were you?
I was in Utah.
Utah.
Yeah.
Sounds country.
It is as well, yeah.
Question though, why did you choose Grand Prairie of all the communities or towns in Canada?
I actually have a lot of friends in Edmonton and Red Deer as well. And I visited Canada before, and yeah, I just like with the opportunities based on college and the program that the college offer here, I thought it was more of what I needed based on affordability and based on what the program was about. So I just chose here.
Yeah, and I've been moved here 4 months ago. What's your feedback about Grand Prairie? Is it somewhere you'd encourage anybody else to move to, or are you disappointed? Like, get me out of here, get me to Edmonton.
No, absolutely, I love it. I was actually worried because I've heard every time I made a face, I told someone about Grand Prairie, they would make a face in my previous trips, like,
Where's
Grand
that?
Prairie? Seriously? Even back home, I met some Canadians and they would say the same thing. But I would watch your guys' videos about the city and how, no, for real, and like how excited you were about it. And so I said, it shouldn't be that bad. It's great for families. And I was pretty surprised because you can get here really quick from point A to point B. You have everything you need as far as the stores and stuff.
Are we paying you for this ad?
No.
100% authentic, and this is her experience, and it's so in line with what we are always saying too. And it's like the convenience of transitioning. I think transitioning to a smaller city like Grand Prairie is so much easier than transitioning to a bigger city like Edmonton, because like just simply 10 minutes you get to your destination. So if you don't drive, public transportation is fairly accessible easily across town. I think that's good. What are you studying?
I'm doing the business diploma there with a focus in marketing.
Marketing, that's what I did too, yeah.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
And you're now in your second semester?
Yes.
Second semester,
Yes,
okay.
just started, yeah.
Fine. Are you here with your family or by yourself?
With my husband.
Does he like it here?
Yes, he loves it too.
Good. That's the important thing, because I was probably saying, what did you get me into? Let's get me out of here, yeah?
Yeah, but life has prepared us for that because where we come from, the city where we were living is a very niche touristy city, and it's really small as well. It's called Sosua in Puerto Plata.
Shout out Sotsuan in Puerto Plata. Hola, mi amigos. Me llamo Damar. ¿Cómo estás?
And it was really easy as well to like move around, and we have everything we needed. So living there for a few years set us for success to make the transition to here as well.
You know what? I love hearing about different people experiences and just like overall scope, right? Now, I've never been to the Dominican Republic, and we know what you guys are known for, those BBLs. That's probably visiting version. But one of the things that is being spoken about a lot in the media is Canada, right? In general. Now, everyone has their own reasons for leaving their home country. For us, it was Jamaica. For you, it's Dom Rep. What is the main thing you're looking forward to being here in Canada?
I would say that's a great question. I think my country, as far as developing, is like a developing country and everything, but safety and opportunity. Even though it's a developing country, it's still a lot of things that need to be improved.
Yeah.
And my husband and I, since we have like a higher education and stuff, we were looking for opportunities to explore those things and even learn more. So we'll see where the future takes us. But for now, this was our...
Okay, so being in Grand Prairie for months now, do you think you're gonna be here even after school? This is where you're looking to settle, or are you like gonna be exploring other cities? Like,
we'll be exploring and seeing where life takes us. For now, we really love this city, and we want to see.
Yeah. Well, welcome to Grand Prairie, Norian. Absolutely, and thank you for watching our content. And this is why we do what we do, so that persons can see that there's such a place called Grand Prairie, and it's not always about the popular places. Sometimes people go to the popular places and they're disappointed. But Grand Prairie exists, and you will be successful here. 100%. And of course, great program, great college. You will be successful there as well. And if your husband is watching this, you shout out, what's your husband's name?
Jamie.
Jamie, big up yourself. Big up yourself, Jamie. Big up yourself. Thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for watching our content. And I'm happy that you like Grand Prairie as well. All right. Thank you for talking to us, Norian. Thank you for not being camera shy. I appreciate it.